What's good, guys? It's your man Harrison back again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be trading live. Hey guys, what's good? So this video is going to be live trading GBP/USD. As you can see, this is GBP/USD. We've got our setup ready. We done traded it to the top already from these lows. They added more positions. I'm going to run you through this as well. So guys, I just wanted to show you something real quick. So look at this right here. This is just an example of how you would trade something like this. So GU has expanded big time, right? It's expanded big time. And so now it's starting to reverse, right? So this is what happens. They generate liquidity, done, okay? This is that generation liquidity. They got a double top over here. And guys, we might have just, look, I'm speaking, but I just want to explain to you what's happened. I'm already in this trade from about 30.60, where's it, 30.60, roughly about down here, okay? I'm just going to give you guys a breakdown of what's actually happening here as well, okay? So look, they generate liquidity, there's money up here, liquidity, people's stop losses, people's money's up here. People who trade double bottoms, they're trying to sell GU early, okay? They got run out over here, as you can see. And when they got run out, that's when your boy was entering the trade, right? So now this is what you would do, right? So the low that took out the liquidity, that low here that took out the liquidity, bear this in mind, okay? Bear this in mind. You want price to break this down, okay? Break beneath this low and then pull back up into this area down here, okay? And then you sell it. Pull it back up into this area down here and then you sell it, yeah? So normally you wait for price to pull back to a premium price. So it can be whatever the premium is, premium price, and then you put your stop loss above this high over here. Above this high over here. This is where I put my stop loss, yeah? So already they might have tapped into this area already. Oh, they're doing it now. We've got boys jumping in with a sellers right now. Boom. Okay. Just jumped in with a sell right now. Okay. Look, they did it quick. Do you see that? So this is, I'm already in already, but your boy just jumped in with another sell right now. So a short position when it's got up into here. I'm gonna put my stop loss now because the boy was ready for this already. I'm going to put my stop loss above this high, okay? I don't need to put it above this high, okay? That was for this move up here. I'm going to put it above this high here, so 1.3060, yeah? So basically 1.3060, where my other entry is, right? 1.3060, so that's what I'm doing. So guys, you're going to see this live now. I'm just going to let it play out. I'm just going to let it play out so you guys can see. So now what you want to do when it comes to your target zones now, okay, your target zones is, if you just want to be in and out this trade, that's all good, that's all Gucci. Some people don't want to swing, some people don't want to wait for a couple of hours and stuff, okay? So you could just jump straight in and take your TP at this low here, okay? This low here, easy peasy, quick monies, 32 pips, done, right? But if you're looking to hold this trade here, okay, if you're looking to hold this trade, you can probably write it down to here, okay? Write it down to these levels down here. We're talking about 50 pips. Guys, this is going to be so quick. This is just live. I don't normally do this, but I'm going to just show you anyway. So yeah, so guys, now whilst it's just doing its thing, I wanted to quickly show you something. So guys, so this is what we'll do, right? So I know you see a bunch of lines here, but all this was GU spiked up big time, okay, and then like literally in 1 minute, spiked up in a few seconds, and a few seconds came back down, then consolidated, created an equal high, then ran it, okay? So now, you could be targeting, if you really wanted to swing trade this, okay, you could be targeting these lows down here, okay? You can even be targeting these lows down here, okay? So we're talking about 160 pips. All right, guys, so I'm going to come back and give you guys an update once we get moving. So far, what's happened, we've got literally basically a wick entry. We had a wick entry. It's just mucking around over here now. And look, we're starting to push down, family. We're pushing down, okay? So look, this is why I always say, don't be one of these guys. In fact, guys, yeah, if you trade with indicators, I'm going to give you about 1 minute to delete all your indicators. Because as you can see, there is no indicators here. And this, look, no indicator is going to give you this quick entry. I just did this with you now. There's no replating on this. There's nothing like that, okay? Look how quickly you're going to get down to this TP. You guys will be done trading for the whole day. This is taking just a few minutes. It's taking just a few minutes. It's going to get down here, okay? I'm out this trade already, by the way. But it's going to get down here. It's going to get down here, like done deals. But yeah, just get rid of all your indicators. Get rid of all your, I don't know what they call them all. RSIs. All that divergence nonsense, all that, get rid of all of that stuff, right? Get rid of all of that stuff. As you can see, there was no need for no indicators. As long as you understand what the market is doing, you're Gucci, you're fine. If you don't understand, then probably you need some indicators. I don't know, just some extra help and stuff. And I'm not saying indicators are dead. Well, I am saying indicators are dead, but if you use indicators and it's working for you, then it's working for you, right? So now check this out. And so this was another sweet trade again. Beautiful trade, 38 pips. Just a quick one. Just a quickie, like this is the 1 minute time frame, family. This is a 1 minute time frame. This is just a quickie. You know what? If you miss that entry now, you could jump in when price gets up to here, about what, 30, 46, okay? Even now is even a good price to even enter. You can even enter now, okay? I'm not going to enter now. I would like price to tap into this area here. Once price gets up into here, Okay, that would be a nice entry as well. But yeah, but other than that, yeah, so this was just a sweet entry again, another 38 pip move. Like I said, it's just tapped up into it now. Okay, so this would be another point for an entry. I'm not entering now, but just in case you guys did enter, I'm gonna go ahead and put this there. Okay, and your stop loss will just be above the high over here. So that would have been an 8 pip stop loss for that one, and then you would have written that down to this level down here. And don't forget the R to R is very important. This is a 1 to 2.8. You can capture 2.8 percentage growth in your account just now. Beautiful stuff. So guys, I don't normally do this live, and look, I might even delete this video in 24 hours, okay, because you know people pay a lot of money for this kind of stuff, but I just wanted to show you guys live, right, what was happening. I know I'm talking bear as well, but guys, yeah, thank you for 10,000 I'm saying thank you for 10,000 subs. Thank you, you know, for just subscribing to the channel. Okay, we're so close to 10,000 subs. So guys, if you guys are new around here, literally jump on board, subscribe to the channel. Your boys is giving you guys the source. I'm doing it live as well. Okay, I'm doing it live as well, live chat and everything else. Yeah, your boys close to 10,000 subscribers, and you know, literally about nearly 1,000, just over 1,000 away. So guys, if you're vibing with the content, if you're liking this content, definitely subscribe to the channel. I don't know anyone else who's giving you the source. Why don't you subscribe to the channel yet? You might as well subscribe to the channel, because you're going to be learning this stuff. Guys, for the people that I still have indicators in the chart, I told you, get rid of it. Get rid of that nonsense. Get rid of those indicators. They just do you trouble. Okay, and why do you think 95% of traders fail? You know, they use indicators. They use indicators, and they talk basic stuff. They're taught to sell when it gets to double tops. They're taught to buy when it gets to double bottoms, yeah? And then look what happens. You buy, run out, stop loss. Then you think it's a sell, jumping for a sell, then they run you out again. Same thing here, look. Sell, it's a double bottom. Okay, sell, run out your stop loss. Oh snap, it must be a buy. Let me jump in for a buy, run out your stop loss. They're just taking your money. So guys, this is why you're tuned into this channel. This is why you're plugged into this channel. Like, you're getting nothing but sauce here. You're getting nothing but sauce. If you've been using this strategy, guys, I want you guys to comment down below. Comment down below if you've been using the strategy and whether it's been working for you. Look at that, 2 wick entries. Look, wick entry, another, that would have been a wick entry I told you guys about. I wanted it to get up into here first, and then it did that, right? So that would have been 2 wick entries, right? I'm just taking it to where price, you know, started making its move up. As simple as that, right? Taking it here. Once it gets down here, you're Gucci, right? You can let some ride if you want, or you can just take it and be done and come back the next day. Yes, it is only 23 pips, but this is a 1 to 2.8 R to R. This one here, if you wanted to ride it for a bit longer, okay, let's just say you wanted to ride it to this low down here, okay, then we're talking about how many the risk reward for this one would be what? A 1 to 8, you know, because our stop loss is so small. When you start learning how to trade like this, you don't need a large stop loss. I'm going to go ahead and risk free my first position anyway, because I can risk free it now. Guys, price pulled back again, man, and I just had to jump in. So your boy jumped in again. So I'm in from the high, I'm in from here, and I'm also in from here now. So the moment price tapped into this area over here, the boy is in. So guys, I'm going to show you guys a screenshot. I'm going to show you a screenshot on my Instagram. So guys, go to my Instagram at @harrisonuwah. Comment on the videos, like the videos, and everything else as well. So yeah, your boy just jumped in again from here. So I'm in with 3 positions now, and I'm not adding no more. I'm done deals. I don't want no more. Okay, I'm good. I'm Gucci. Stop loss is still in the same area. Okay, well technically I put my stop loss down here, just above the body of the candlestick. Okay, and then my TP is gonna be down here. Okay, my TP is gonna be right down here. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. I'm good. I'm gonna let this position ride. Okay, this one here, I'm gonna let this one ride. Obviously, it's already in risk free already. This one I can risk free it now as well. This position here. I'm gonna take my TP for this one right down here. Okay, right down here at this line. Okay, right at these lows. I'm gonna take my TP for that, and I'm gonna let the other 2 ride. So I'm in with one position at 60 as well. Actually, let me put this marked up on the chart so you guys can see it. 60. Boom. Okay, and then I'm just gonna let me quickly just adjust the stop loss. So now you guys can see how small my stop losses are. My stop losses are just tiny. Stop losses are literally tiny. Okay, down here. So this is like a 4 or 5 pip stop loss. One for that one, and my TP for that is, my TP for this one, I'm just gonna expand it. Let's just make it this one here. Okay, because I'm just gonna be tracking it. I want to be tracking this one. Boom, sweet stuff. Right, sweet stuff. So as you can see now, look. 3 positions up in this joint. I'm going to give you guys an update in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm back again. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Okay, so boom, you can see price is breaking down nicely. Pull back up into here. Some of you guys would have panicked when it got up to here again and started panicking and closed out your trade. but you don't have to do that because price is breaking down. It's telling you that it wants to reverse, right? It's telling you that it wants to reverse. So now all it needs to do is just come back down to this joint over here, exit the trade, and you're Gucci, right? So when it comes to your trades now, look at this. This one, the stop losses are really small. The stop losses are really, really small. That was 6 pips. This one is 6 pips, and this one is 5 pips, right? So yeah, stop losses are really, really small. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get down to these targets, man. We're gonna get down to these targets. Like I said, this is how you would trade it. And even if you just, just traded all 3 positions down to this position, this one's 23 pips. This one's gonna probably be about what, 27 pips or something like that. And this one's gonna be, let me just do the quick calculations so you guys can see it. Boom, 37 pips. Yeah, 37 pips on that one. And then this one's gonna be how many pips? Let's just double check. 32 pips, right? So guys, we're gonna be able to catch nearly a 100 pip move just in a matter of minutes. Guys. Yeah, so guys, yeah, this is how this strategy be working. This is how the strategy works, right? You don't have to be in the trade for time. You don't have to do that stuff, right? Once it gets down here, you're Gucci. It will get down here. This is the 1 minute time frame, so you know these TPs are about to be hit. Okay, you know these TPs are about to be hit. I'm gonna give you guys an update in about a few more minutes time. Alright guys, so another update now. So it's been a few more minutes. I actually missed, this could have been a potential another entry down here, okay, but I told you guys I'm done. I didn't want to jump into no more trades. I'm Gucci, right? So I was just doing this, showing you guys this example just to show you guys how it's done kind of live, you know what I mean? So guys, you can see price is breaking down, okay? So look, this was a clean entry. That was another clean one. This one was clean, but then it got a bit messy, according to some people, right? But look, guys, we're about to come and hit this. We're about to come and smash this any minute now. Honestly, any minute now. We're just breaking down slowly. It could do it now whilst we're speaking. And let me just make sure my TPs are in real quick. So my TP was what? Down here, this line to the T. About what, 20? Is that 22? I'll make it 23. Make it 23. So my TP for that one is going to be 23. Guys, we are roughly about what, 6 pips away or something like that from there. So it's gonna hit there, man. It's gonna hit there. It is gonna hit there. That's gonna be the targets. Guys, look, like I said, we're about to smash this any moment now. Okay, so how many? Like I said, we were just what, 6 pips away. 6 pips away from that one, and we're Gucci. All of these ones are now risk-free. Okay, all 3 of these trades are risk-free. Prices moved away nicely. Okay, all trades are risk-free as well, and now we're just gonna hold. We're gonna hold and wait and see. And guys, we are about to hit TP. Check this out. Look, I don't know how long we've been in this trade for. So we've been in this trade from here. Okay. So from about what, 3? Well, I've been in it from here. So yeah, but from when I was showing you guys from here, about 350. And guys, we're about to hit it, and it's only about what, 4. It's all about 4:30. Well, it's roughly been about 40 minutes, right? 40 minutes of trading. Okay, and we're about to smash it now. Check this out. We're about to hit this TP. Let's do it. Let's go. Do it whilst I'm talking, man. Do it whilst I'm talking. I don't know. Okay. But as you can see, guys, we're very, very close. About to smash it now. So this is how you could really utilize the strategy and really just get your time back. Do you understand? You don't need to be up in these charts all the time. Catch your moves and be out this place. This is a 1 to 4. You just, we're nearly about to hit a 1 to 4 RTR. Well, we came what, 1 pip away? 1 pip away, or for me, what was my TP actually? My TP was what, 23? Okay, we're about to hit 23 soon. 23 is roughly about down here somewhere. But guys, as you can see, this is just beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. I'm gonna wait for it to get ran first before we shut. Oh, there we go. 23 just got hit. I just got taken out of my trade, and we're good. We're good. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. You guys saw how your boy done traded this live. So yeah, guys, definitely if you want mentorship, hit me up on Instagram. Let me your boy know that you want some mentorship. Yeah, you're going to get the full process behind all of this as well. So it's not just taking the trade and that's it. Okay, you need to know what you're doing. You need to know what you're saying behind what these charts are actually saying to you. Okay guys, you know I can't end the video. I can't end the video until I see a nice clean run. Even though I'm out the trade already, my TP was 23. Okay, I put it at 23. But look, we need to see, we just at least need to see this, tap this. Oh, this is that perfectionist in me trying to come out right now. Just take it so I can end the video. Take it so I can end the video. I know I'm out because my TP was 23, so my TP would have been smashed. Just take it so I can end the video, man. Take it. Take the TP. Take it. You're 1 pip away. Just do it. Do it. You're naughty. This is just misbehaving, okay? Anyway, guys, my TP's been hit and I'm Gucci. No, I can't end the video. Not yet. You better go down. Cool. So you know your boy can't end the video without this thing just smashing it, okay? So guys, I told you guys I couldn't just end the video without it being smashed. You can see that it's been smashed straight through now. Guys, you're done trading for the day. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just wanted to quickly show you, this is the very last update. So this was the swing trade, okay, that was the trade, and this was the target zone. This was the swing target zone. So it all happened in one day. Price has done its thing and boom, we done hit our targets. This move here, we're talking about what, 167 pips times 2, okay, plus this one, whatever that was, 63, and then this one was just to that zone over there, okay. GBP USD has been an absolute vibe. Let's go.